Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can check battery level and replace our batteries on the Casio fx-CG50 graphing calculator. If you don't have one of these calculators but would like one, check the link in the description below. The Casio fx-CG50 is not a solar calculator, which means it runs off of batteries and we need to be aware of our battery level. We can check the battery level here in the top left-hand corner of the screen. You can see right now I have about 2/3 of my battery left. It's recommended to change our batteries if we get down to 1 bar or 1/3, just so we don't get caught with low batteries on a test. If we're getting very low, we'll get a pop-up on our screen saying low battery level. When we want to replace our batteries, the first step is to make sure we have the correct batteries. This calculator takes 4 AAA batteries, like this here. You can buy these pretty much anywhere you can buy batteries. They're very common. Once we have our batteries and we're ready to change them, first thing we want to do is turn off our calculator. This will prevent possible data loss or malfunction when changing batteries. To do that, we press Shift and then the AC off key here. We'll see that and our screen will go blank. Next, we want to take our calculator out of the case, turn it over, and put it back in the case so it's facing down and our buttons are protected and we won't accidentally press them. Now we can access our batteries in the back here by pulling back on this and lifting. There we go. There's our current batteries. We can pop those out. And set those aside. Now we'll get our new batteries. And we can put those in, paying attention to the positive and negative side. The negative or flat end goes against the spring. There we go. Our batteries are put back in. We can close up the battery compartment and turn it back over. When we do this, our calculator will turn back on and take us back to the initial on menu, where it'll ask us to select our language. It should be set to the default. We can choose whichever one we want, or we can just hit next. And then it'll ask us our display settings, where we can choose how light or dark it looks. 3 is the default typically. So we can hit F6 or next again. It'll ask us our power properties. This is how long our calculator stays on before going to sleep. We can change these if we want, or we can just hit F6 next. And finally, it'll ask us our batteries. Typical batteries are the alkaline batteries. So if you're not using a rechargeable battery, usually you just choose that. So select that with the EXE. It'll give us this warning telling us the capacity detection depends on the type of battery. Okay, that's good to know. So we'll hit F1, yes, and then F6, finish. And there we go. We now see our batteries are full and we're good to go for our test. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.